Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to unveil the secrets of crafting the perfect ChatGPT prompt. Generative AI tools, like ChatGPT, possess vast amounts of information, but require human input to apply it. Despite their extensive data, high expectations for their capabilities often lead to complaints such as generic responses, AI-generated responses, and time spent on usability. ChatGPT's success relies on the quality of inputs provided, as good outputs require good inputs. As such, it's crucial to provide good inputs to ensure good outcomes, as ChatGPT's capabilities are limited by the amount of data it can handle. Come, let's have a look. What are ChatGPT prompts? ChatGPT prompts are instructions or queries you enter into the artificial intelligence's AI interface to get responses. A prompt consists of keywords and phrases meant to spark a reply. You feed ChatGPT a question or instruction and it will respond as though in a conversation. ChatGPT's output is determined by prompts, which are used to shape conversations. Prompt engineering involves feeding ChatGPT useful phrases and instructions to improve responses. Engineers train ChatGPT from vast text data, gaining insights into human responses. This training enabled ChatGPT to develop a language model that predicts the next word in a given sentence. As users interact with ChatGPT, it learns to generate more appropriate replies, making it crucial to feed the right prompt. Give the AI an identity. Who do you want the AI to be? Tell ChatGPT who you are or who you want it to be in its responses. You could say, "You're an executive with XYZ goals," or "You're a third-grade teacher with 30 kids in your classroom," or "You're a social media manager for a consulting agency." When you tell ChatGPT who it is, it will be able to look at the world through that lens. Add tone. Particularly if you are creating content, you'll want to set the tone of the responses. Are you an expert? Are you a kind, empathetic teacher? Are you curious? Funny? ChatGPT, if given that context, will emulate it. It also helps to use this tone when writing your prompt, as it can then build it into the language. If you're formal, be more formal in your responses. If you're playful, be more playful in the responses. This also works for image-generating tools. Set the tone for what you seek with words like cartoonish, mystical, or bright. Provide contextual details. ChatGPT prompts should include relevant details to understand the specific scenario or context, ensuring accurate responses. This includes background info, specific facts, or user preferences. While ChatGPT offers spaces for input, it doesn't tailor responses to brand, product, or target audience. By providing more context, ChatGPT can focus on what users need, generating more useful and relevant responses. Feed it content or reference material. ChatGPT currently cannot browse the internet, but you can occasionally provide content to reference specific information. This includes domain-specific knowledge, consistent style and tone, fact-checking and accuracy, specialized instructions or guidelines, and information from later than September 2021. To ensure ChatGPT learns and uses facts after this date, you must provide the content. For example, if you want ChatGPT to write for social media management company Buffer, you must provide content that aligns with your brand or writing tone. This will help ChatGPT learn and use facts more reliably and accurately. Add background text. Don't forget, that giant chat box is just waiting to be filled. Don't hold back on providing as much information as possible. If I'm asking ChatGPT to write an email, I'll add examples of emails I've written. You can say, "We'll be writing an article, so here are samples of recent articles I've written." You can even upload your brand guidelines, just be careful not to share proprietary information. I suggest adjusting the data privacy settings so it's not being used to train the model. Clearly state the desired topic or task. To ensure a focused response, use specific prompts when addressing a task or topic in ChatGPT, such as explaining effective digital marketing strategies for small businesses or providing tips for optimizing Google Ads campaigns, to avoid deviations or ambiguous outputs. Set parameters. To guide a response within defined boundaries, specify constraints such as the number of words, characters, sentences, and outputs desired. For example, in a prompt for headline writing, ask ChatGPT for specific options, specify the information set, request specific data points, examples or references, and guide it to adopt a specific viewpoint or methodology. Specify format. The ChatGPT model can generate desired content types by guiding it by specifying the output format. Users can specify specific formats like short stories or meta descriptions, and can request pros and cons, step-by-step instructions, or other formats. Specific formats like bullet points or paragraphs are preferred, as more specific responses are more effective. Refine the prompts. ChatGPT can be used to refine prompts for better results, especially when outputs require character limits. To do this, hover over the original prompt and click the Edit button. The platform will then produce a new response or add a new prompt with more specific instructions. However, ChatGPT can sometimes veer off topic or repeat responses and can generate content that is not relevant or factually incorrect. To fix this, start a new chat with a new prompt or write an additional prompt to clarify. The platform has a library of over 195 prompts to inspire creative conversations for almost every industry. By following these steps, you can improve the quality of your ChatGPT responses. Direct the length of the response. Do you want a 2,000-word report, a few paragraphs, or something super short, like a tweet-length response? Give it this direction. Ask the AI to ask you questions. Have you tried tricks in crafting pitch-perfect prompts? Asking ChatGPT to ask you clarifying questions. What else do you need to know from me to do what I've asked? Here's an example of how I used these tactics when prompting ChatGPT to help me plan a vacation. A trip planning prompt. And it gave me a list of additional criteria it would benefit from having in creating this itinerary. Prompt Perfect is a plugin that optimizes the quality and precision of prompts in ChatGPT. It helps users craft more structured prompts by focusing on clarity, detail, and structure. The plugin understands basic prompts and creates prompts in line with best practices. Regular use of Prompt Perfect allows users to see real-time improvements and use them in the future. It's recommended for those struggling with prompt writing. Hopefully, you have a better understanding of how to get better replies from ChatGPT now, using the above ChatGPT prompts and best practices. Remember to include the following elements in your ChatGPT prompts and you'll be on the right track. Your persona, your knowledge, your traits, steps to the task, your task, goal, format. Once you know how to write ChatGPT prompts, you'll be able to achieve more accurate outputs more quickly. These prompts are meant to inspire you to write your own prompts relevant to your business or product. They can be a great way to get started with your content creation. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and comment how this improved your prompt writing in ChatGPT. Subscribe as well to stay informed on all things tech. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.